So we talked about inheritance. We talked about interface implementation. There's also another thing called aggregation in the class-to-class relationship. In the aggregation, an instance of one class will become a reference in another class. This is has a relationship. For example, our instructor, textbook, and course example. Each course has an instructor, and each course has a textbook. Instructor is not inherited or implemented by course, but a course has an instructor. So that's their relationship. Basically, it's like object inside the object. In the course object, you also have an instructor object, and you also have a textbook object. So in this course example, you can see that we have a instructor object and textbook object, and you have and you define a new instructor and a new textbook whenever you create this course instance. And when you want to utilize this course, you created my course, then you can also print out the textbook and the instructor. So this is the aggregation. Basically, it's just an object inside object, instance inside instance. There's another type of class called the enumerated. Enumerated or enumeration, known as we write it as ENUM, is a special type of class where you define the enum with a finite list of fields, and usually final and static. For example, day, we will list as Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. This is very useful when you want to list out all the possible instances, possible values of a certain field. Like a day, workday have a Monday through Friday, or maybe Monday through Tuesday. Then you have a weekend as Sunday and Saturday. Now assignment day will be like day, workday equals to Wednesday. And inside here, each of the object has a specialized instance here. The workday variable holds the address of the Wednesday object. And you also have certain methods, especially like equals to and compare to. This is very important and ordinal. This is very important in an enumerated type. And let's quickly take a look to check the, let's say, sports car. Sports car has a color, has a make, and now let's look at the car type. Car type is new, enumerated type. So we have 3 car types listed here, and sports car will use this make to pick one of the makes. Of course, you can add more, Toyota, Honda, and Ford. But basically, by utilizing this car type enumeration, you are restricting the code selection inside the options you provide, so that you can better control how users will be utilizing your code, your library.